Welcome to a new feature released by us at Zenler. So now you have the ability to close the registration on one-to-one bookings. Let's jump in and see exactly how it works. Okay, so in your one-to-one bookings, that's under live, one-to-one bookings, when you set this up, you're now going to have the option down the bottom here on additional settings. Let's click additional settings. Now inside here you can see that there's two checkboxes. One is to allow registration until the end of the session. That's basically what's happening at the moment. So registration stays open and people can join the session even when the session has started, okay? So the next thing is we have the close registration. Now this is the new feature that we have here. So if you click this and check this, you can actually set a time before the event starts to close the registration page. So no one can register for this one-to-one booking event. And you can set this in minutes, hours and days. For instance, if I put 1 in here and set this to hours, it means that after 1 hour before the event, no one will be able to register. But if they come in at 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 minute, they can obviously still book the event. So we've now locked it so that they cannot come in, set by you. This is a feature that you asked for and we've delivered it to you from us at Zenler. Just as a note for you, if you have it set up as multiple sessions, the time that you set or the close of registration that you set will be set through all of your multiple sessions. Now for reoccurring sessions it will apply to the first session only and none of the reoccurrences, but people can still join via the direct invite link. So this is closing the registration for your one-to-one bookings. Enjoy!